Alright Heidi, what's going on today?
So we're doing a delivery. We're wrapping the seats. Someone bought them from Rafi. And then Rafi wants to show you guys what he bought.
Marketplace Sunday shenanigans. One is getting shipped out to one of my actual followers on TikTok. TikTok keeping the community closed. And this is the one I bought. That would be the princess seat for the time being. Next, we have another bracket here. Brackets. Alright guys, we got some exciting stuff that came up from Melbourne. This is really cool. I've been waiting for this for a very long time. This is the seat bracket, backwards. I flip it around. Seats go here, the other goes there. LCS made this for me. They did the whole cab pretty much, so they knew exactly where I needed everything. On this part, you're gonna see this is for the cable for the handbrake. So we're stoked because this is small, slim, and if I need to clean the car after off-roading, pretty much unbolt the 4 bolts, pulls it off, but it's super sturdy and super light. All right, this is a big one. I'll try to unbox this one. Oh, first box of goodies. Raceworks. Oh, this is the overflow tank that they use. This goes right next to the radiator for the overflow. I am assuming that this is a bracket that Lori put together for me to. It's gonna go the radiator, and that is gonna go there, right next to it. This is another thing. I actually have a Heltec IC10, so this will be for the monitor. I pretty much mount to this, screw, boom, and now we'll sit on the dash. How solid this looks. This will go this way, mount to the tray, and then they're going to be straight to the tank. This, it's the fuel lines, I'm assuming. So pretty much go with this in order to create a little bit of space. These are, I'm assuming, the breathers for it.
Excited!
Almost there. The headrest. Oh, they did the round headrest for this one.
Wow!
First part.
Oh my god.
Pretty exciting. But that's it, honey. That's the Skillman. I'm not sure how to pronounce it.
I love
But that's
it.
pretty much it. That goes like that. And then headrest. Obviously goes there. Yeah, it's pretty much gonna sit like that.
Wow.
What do you think, honey? It's
I
cool.
really like it.
Yeah, I can contain myself, so I'm gonna give it the first try, see how it fits. I don't actually think it'll fit with the handbrake in there, but we'll give it a try. Alright, the princess seat goes in first. Let's see how this fits. We're just mocking it up. I have an idea. Heavier. It still has the screws here, but I just wanted to kind of see how things went, how they would line up. Let's see how it fit. Yeah, it's gonna sit about an inch lower.
Yeah.
So the accelerator there, shifter here.
What?